today in this session we will be seeing about dilation and erosion. So what is dilation and what is erosion in a digital image processing? So these two are said to be the fundamental morphological operations. So first of all, what is morphological operation is? It is nothing but a collection of nonlinear operations, something related to shape or features that are present within a particular image. So coming to the point, what is erosion and what is dilation? So dilation is nothing but we will be adding the pixels to the boundaries of an object in an image, whereas erosion in the sense we will be removing some of the unwanted pixels that are present in an image or an object boundaries. So we will see with an example so that you will get a clear cut understanding idea about dilation and erosion. So now we are considering an image. So application of dilation for bridging of gaps in between an image. So what we are going to do is, you can see that in the input image we have considered 3x3 square structuring elements, but there is a gap between them. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to use the process of dilation, that is we are going to add the pixels in order to create a fulfilled image. So as you can clearly see in the image 2, we are filling the gap by adding the additional number of pixels in the image. So similarly, when I wanted to remove some unwanted details that are present in an image, or suppose in case if my image is said to be blurred or image is said to be the image is wanted to be highlighted from the object and the background, then I can go for applying this particular technique called as erosion. So by using this erosion technique, we can eliminate the unwanted details that are present in the image. So as you can clearly notice that in the there is a major difference between the first input image and after the elimination of unwanted detail by the process of erosion, we have gotten another image. So for example, now we are taking 4 basic morphological operations such as erosions, dilation, opening as well as closing. So figure A, we can clearly see that it is an example of a binary image, and from figure B to E we are applying these operations, that is the erosions and dilations and as well as opening technique. So from the end you can see that how finally the image is obtained by applying all these processes. So another one example, we are taking an original image and it is getting eroded by erosion technique, and it is getting dilated by dilated technique, and finally open and closure technique is also applied to the input image. So structuring elements, what is structuring elements? So structuring elements is nothing but the number of pixels that is involved to create an object that is depending upon the shape and size of the object. So normally it can be said as the matrix of ones and zeros, and the center pixel of the structure element can be called as origin. So as I said you earlier, the center pixel of the image is called as origin, and the number of pixels that is present within the particular image can be said as structuring elements. Okay, so this is the dilation program. So suppose in case if you want to apply this program in using by MATLAB, then you can go for choosing this particular program and you can apply on the image. Hope you all understood and had a useful session. Thank you.